This video is brought to you by Omaze. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been finally confirmed. Hey guys, so during the MWC 2021 event, Samsung talked about a lot of things. One of the most important things that they talked about is the core feature of a Galaxy Note smartphone, that is a S Pen. The feature that used to be only exclusive to the Note flagship has now been moved towards multiple devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, of course tablets have that access as well, and now Samsung has officially confirmed that S Pen will be coming to more Galaxy flagship devices. Not too long ago, Samsung officially filed a patent for a flip phone with the S Pen compatibility. This very well means that the next Galaxy Z Flip 4 flagship device will have the S Pen support. So let me get this straight. At this point, if you buy any Samsung flagship phone, whether it's the Galaxy S flagship phone or the Fold flagship phone or the Flip flagship phone, even the tablets, all of them have now the S Pen feature, a feature that used to be specific to a Note phone. So keeping this rapid S Pen expansion to other flagship devices in mind, Samsung's DJ Ko said that the Note flagship will come back, but the launch timeline could be different, and I honestly believe him. But at this point, the Note has to offer more than just the S Pen, or at least transform into something entirely new. I can't wait to see what the ultimate fate of the Note will be. I have to say, next year is a very important year for Note fans. Let me know your thoughts on that. Also in the news, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been leaked from all angles, in all colors, in gorgeous official renders. Literally all you need to see about the Z Fold 3 is here, and I have to say it looks gorgeous. I'm glad that Samsung has brought more colors this time around. We've got matte black, dark green, and silver color, and from the looks of the renders, it seems like all of them have a matte finish. Samsung completely moved away from a glossy finish as we have seen on the S21 Ultra, which I absolutely love. So seeing all matte finishes on all the Z Fold 3 colors is definitely a plus point. Now something interesting about these renders is that you can't see the front camera sensors, so they are indeed having the under display camera. As for the actual display specs, we have a 7.5-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel on the actual big main display, and the outer display is said to be around 6.2 inches. We're not sure about the refresh rate of the outer display, so I hope it has to be at least around 90 Hz. Now before we move towards the final news of the day, I want to give a big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Omaze. Omaze is giving away amazing one-of-a-kind prizes and experiences while donating money to chosen charities all across the world. Because of this sustainable fundraising approach, charities can worry less about raising money, and instead they can focus more on serving the needs of their respective communities. So this time Omaze brings a chance for you to win an electric 1968 one-of-a-kind vintage Porsche 912 EV, an eco-friendly collectible with complete customization straight out of the Peterson's vault. It's a 4-seater beauty rocking white-colored exterior with 917-inspired green graphics, black and white houndstooth interior, 300 horsepower, and a whopping acceleration of 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds. If you want aesthetic, power, prestige, performance all in one package, then this beauty has got it all. Now this supports Peterson Automotive Museum. They act as a progressive center for automotive research and collecting, which includes reaching underserved communities. Your generosity will help Peterson Automotive Museum in creating new exhibitions, community events, and preservation activities. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or go to omaze.com/z for a chance to potentially win the prize and support a great cause. Okay, so every year at MWC event, there's always a Smartphone of the Year award, and guess what? Samsung has actually nailed it. The Galaxy S21 Ultra has won a global award for being the best smartphone right now. According to the judges, the S21 Ultra is Samsung's best phone ever made. I mean, if you look at the S21 Ultra, it truly has everything from a flagship design to a crazy display, a super versatile camera system with lots of zoom, and let's not forget it's the first Galaxy S flagship phone to have the S Pen capability. It truly has everything that Samsung has ever done in one package. I can't wait to see what Samsung will bring with the next Galaxy S22 lineup. Super excited with everything that is going on. That's all the news for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.